VoiceOver is a built-in screen reader on the iPhone that allows blind or visually impaired people to navigate their phone auditorially rather than visually. In this video, I want to give a simple explanation on what VoiceOver is on the iPhone.
Welcome to my video on VoiceOver.
As I slowly lost most all my central vision, I quickly found that VoiceOver would be one of the most helpful tools. VoiceOver can be daunting and confusing to learn, so I hope this video can give a simple overview on what it is as you start to learn it. A lot of people wonder if I have some sort of special phone, but VoiceOver, along with many other accessibility settings, are built into your iPhone in the settings. If you go to Settings, then Accessibility, and then click VoiceOver under Vision, you can turn it on and start to learn about the features. When you turn it on, you're going to right away hear the robotic voice that is used by VoiceOver. To many people, this voice could drive them crazy, but for me, it's how I can use and access my iPhone. VoiceOver will allow you to take in the information on your iPhone screen auditorially as you control it with certain gestures. You can navigate your screen simply by tapping on something and it will read it out loud. And then if you want to select something, I can double tap with one finger and it will select that. So as I move my finger around the screen, it's going to read whatever is below it and I can double tap whenever I want to select something. There are other simple gestures you can use to navigate your screen, such as flicking with one finger to the right or left to move to the next element.
Double tap to activate the select. Learn more. VoiceOver practice. Learn more. Double tap to activate the
You can scroll by swiping 3 fingers up or down, and there's many other gestures to learn which I will cover in future videos. VoiceOver will smoothly allow a blind or visually impaired person to be able to text, email, navigate Safari, take photos, and more. It does take a lot of practice, so start practicing and check out one of these videos next to learn more about VoiceOver on your iPhone and subscribe for more videos like this.